Okay, guys, gonna look at Ask Scruff and actually find this. Well, it's kind of quite a good question, actually. It's quite an interesting question. But let me fire it across and I'll show you. So I've done Maxwell's this morning, give my opinion on what oil is up to. But this one's for Lewis, so it's a little salute to you, kid. So, quick quest, stupid on the surface. There ain't no stupid questions, they're just unknown answers, kid. However, I found a lot of my first entries are pretty much cock on and most of the time go straight to target, thus reducing my overall potential profits with madness because the other positions aren't being triggered, which in turn keeps me further away from daily. So after 2 trades, most days, I find myself a little bit further than the monetary target. And to me, it seems to be a conservative target. Would you look to be more than 2 or 3 trades, assuming high quality, to hit your target? Or would you just hold back? Right. Now, this is the great debate. And it's... Firstly, the answer is do not take more trades. That is suicide, stupid, and definitely the road to ruin. Why is that? Because now gambling will start taking over. Oh, I've won, so I'm going to win again. Oh, I've won, I'm going to win again. Inevitably, when you take that extra trade, that's the trade that'll take the money off you. So that part, don't even consider it. Now, this is where journaling comes in. If you constantly see how many opportunities you get into the market, this is assuming you're staging backward and you're using some form of a DCA method, you should be able to calculate how many goes in. Now, I work on a 5 position principle of 3. So I assume 3 of them are going to go into market, and then I'll target that appropriately. And then anything else is now what's called damage control. So if you're only getting it nailed straight away, but you've got a decent data sample, and I don't mean just a week's worth of trades, I mean months and months, you'll find how many entries you on average get in. So in their scenario, say it's 2, then you just increase your position size and have damage control as maybe as a spare. So don't use 5 entries, use 3, with the view of 1, 2, going to target, 3, just get me out. And that way you'll increase your profit doing the same trade, get to your daily target if you've got a daily allowance you want to get to, and you'll be fine. But what happens is, if you start going in at this thinking, right, I'm Billy Big Bollocks now, and I'm going to take extra trades, you'll have already have increased your position size as well. It will wipe you out. So you've just got to be careful. So just do your homework. Make certain that you're nailing it all the time with 1 or 2 or even just 1. And if that's the case, fine. Just go straight to market 100%. You kind of sussed it. But if it's only a few days, but the rest of the time it goes a bit tits up, that's where your journaling comes in, and it'll show you exactly how many positions that you need to enter. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.